Alright, let me show you guys something real quick. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8 plants. All of them are fake. All of them are fake, right? So I think I just love like the looks of plants like inside a house, and it's just nice, right, to have some greens, and there's actually some benefits in like having actual plants in your house as well. Some people say like it boosts your energy level, or sometimes like brings happiness in the home. Blah blah blah. I don't know much about that, but the reason why I've been collecting fake plants, right, is because I'm not able to like not able. I'm definitely able to do it, but I haven't done a great job in like taking good care of them. Like I've had a couple before, well, all of them like kept dying because either like I overwatered them, or some weeks like I just forget to like water them at all. That is about to change. I'm about to have another real plant again. I already have another real plants, right? A friend of mine actually bought me. Let me show you guys. So this is the plants in the box, right? A friend of mine actually got me this. So they came to my place a couple days ago, and they saw all the fake plants that I have around. And it was like, I'm gonna get you a real one. But I thought they was just joking, right? So like, I didn't even like pay no mind to it. A couple days later, I went and got myself this tree behind me, which is a beautiful tree too, right? I love the way it looks in my apartment. Like it fits pretty well. So I had posted online to like show it up. Then they saw the post, and they was like, only if you could wait. Then I had already purchased it, like real plants, right? I was like, what? I thought you were playing the whole time. And she was like, nah, like it's actually on the way, right? It's supposed to be delivered the next day. So this is the tree right here that she sent me. She bought me, and I'm about to unbox it now and show you guys what it looks and how I feel about it. Okay. Alright. Boom! Look at this, man. Looking beautiful. Looking nice. Is it? I don't even know what kind of plants is this, to be honest. What kind of tree is it? I would have to look this up. I'm not the best when it comes to plants, right? So this is nice, man. Like I really love it. Oh, look at that! Look at the what's this thing called? Oh my goodness! Haven't been in school for so long. Look at the stem. I hope I'm right too. The stem, right? This is it. Yeah, this is the branches, and this is stem. Yes. But yeah, I like. Look at this. It looks like it's braided, right? You know what? Let me look up the name of this. Money tree. Money tree. Is that the name of the plant? Yes, that's the name of the plant. Money tree. I like that. I like that. Oh my goodness. You know how much I love money, man? Who doesn't love money? Everyone loves money. Okay. Love your plants and you'll love your bag. All it takes is following these simple care tips. Light. This good luck money tree proves most lucky in bright indirect lights. Okay. Water. Allow the top inch of the soil to dry out before watering. This plant like humidity, so mist regularly. Okay. Try not to move the plant around too much. Money tree don't like to be relocated and may respond by dropping leaves. Okay. Rumor has the money tree brings luck and prosperity. Most stems have 5 to 6 leaves. Find one with 7, extra luck. Shall I count these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna do that later, but this is pretty cool, man. This is pretty cool. I like the fact that I don't know if this is true, if this is just make us start just like the fortune cookies, right? But I mean, I just love it, and promise I will take good proper care of this. I hope. Not truly, I will take good proper care of it. because I would love to have real plants. But the problem now is to actually find a place where to put this in my apartment, right? Because like everywhere is just taken up. I wish I haven't bought the fig tree yet, but it doesn't hurt, man, to have a lot of greens. So we gonna find. Oh, actually, I can put this in my bedroom. Yeah. Yes. Yes, the perfect space. Perfect spot. This is where I decided to finally put it. And I feel it looks good here, man. It looks great. I just hope whenever I wake up, I just see money in my bedroom, like all over there. It's like, nah, I'm just playing. But yeah, right now, the soil look moist. So I'm not going to overwater it. The goal is to make sure I take good, proper care of this thing and have it live as long as it can. I just actually look up some photos of it. Like, they can get really big. So once they keep getting bigger, I'll just move it to my living room. Finger crossed, I'm gonna take good care of this, and I hope to show you guys the growth of this thing, like in the upcoming future. So thanks for sticking to the end of this. I know it may not be the most exciting video, but it is exciting though to me that I have real plants again, and with a challenge out to take good care of it. So if you guys have any tips of like proper ways to take care of plants, specifically the money tree, let me know in the comments below. And also just let me know what are the plants recommendations that I should look into that may not take like a whole lot of care, indoor plants. So thanks for sticking to the end of this, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.